Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google survey form. So let's get right into it. Click the 9 dots next to your profile, then scroll down and select Forms. You can use one of the pre-made templates here, but I'm just going to use a blank form. You can start adding your form title and description. Now you can start adding in your survey questions. My question is going to be, what is your name? And for this question, it automatically selected multiple choice for me, but I actually want to use the short answer option. To add a new question, click the plus icon over here. Let's say you want to add a page break to your form. To do this, click the icon that looks like two rectangles and click Add Section. Based on the response to this question, I would like the form to direct the respondents to either question 4 or question 5. To do this, I'm going to select the question and then I'll click the 3 dots at the bottom and select Go to Section based on answer. For option 1, I'm going to put Go to Section 2, and for option 2, I'm going to select Go to Section 3. After adding in your questions, you can come to Settings and make some changes here as well. Under Responses, you can manage how the responses are collected and protected. So you can choose to collect email addresses, or you can select Do Not Collect, or you can allow the respondents to manually enter their email. You can send the respondents a copy of their response. Just know you have to collect email addresses to do this. And also you can allow their responses to be changed after being submitted. You can also limit to one response. Now go under Presentation to manage how the form and responses are presented. You can select the progress bar. This allows the respondents to see how much of the form they have completed. You can also choose Shuffle Question Order. This will show the respondents all the questions in a random order. This can be very useful to avoid cheating in quizzes. Just bear in mind that if you link two questions together and also select Shuffle Question Order, it can mess up your settings. You can also edit the confirmation message that shows up after the respondent submits the form. You can select Show Link to submit another response, but this option won't be available if you limit to one response. If you select Share Results Summary with respondents, they will be able to see not only their results, but the results of the other respondents. If you select Disable Autosave for all respondents, the respondents will lose their progress if their browser closes or refreshes. After making your desired changes here, you can also change the form default. These settings will be applied every time you create a new form. You can customize the theme of your form. Click the palette icon in the top menu over here. Here you can change the text styles. You can also change the color theme of the form. And you can choose an image for the header. You can use one of the images already provided, or you can upload one of your own photos. After making your desired changes to the form, it's time to publish it. You can send this to specific people, or you can make it public so that anyone with the link can fill in this form. Click the Publish button in the top menu, and now I'm going to make it so that anyone with the link can fill in this form. Now you can come over here and shorten the URL. Then you can copy this link and paste it on the public platform of your choice. I'm just going to paste this link in a new tab. And now I can start filling out this form. Whenever someone fills out this form, you can come to the Responses tab to see their results. And that is how to create a Google survey form. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.